Hey guys, welcome back to Stitch Sundays. It's your girl Stitch by Sophie. I'm super excited to be here. I hope you guys are excited to be here, and I'm amped about today's video. So I know it's been a while since I posted anything, but we're not gonna get into that. Life has been happening. So today's gonna be a hair video, clearly. So I actually ordered a new blow dryer online. So I don't know if you guys remember, I'll definitely post it inside of my description bar somewhere. So I have my one go-to blow dryer. So it's actually the Revlon brush, and I love that it's shaped like a paddle brush, but it gives you 3 settings when it comes to the heat. You can actually do cool, low, or high. So that has been my go-to for years. So when I tell you years, but it's 2022, it's a brand new year. I'm grown, I'm doing grown and sexy 30 things. So like I said, I ordered a new blow dryer. So there has been so much said about this blow dryer, and I'm just like, nah, I gotta see if it's the hype or if it's really doing what I need it to do. So I decided to order for myself, and I'm gonna share this with you guys. So I'm gonna do a quick little unboxing, then after that we're gonna see how well it works. So I do need to actually blow dry my hair for another video that I'm gonna do, so this actually aligns perfectly. I'll show you guys the box that it comes in. So this is the box that the Revair comes in. It is huge. It's definitely a big box, and it has some weight to it. Now for the price point, when I cut this box open, I need somebody to pop out. Like, I need a hairstylist to pop out with it. Like, we're gonna get into that right now. So we're going to, I don't want to show you guys like my bottoms because I'm not really dressed. Pair of scissors. Let me bring this up a little bit. This is so ghetto. Alright. Cut one side. We're getting to the other. Just be patient. I could have got a box cutter, but did I know? I like the struggle, you know? Alrighty. So this is what came in the box. So let me actually read the receipt itself. So I'm gonna see if it explains anything or tells me what I should be expecting. Alrighty, so it looks like not only do you just get the blow dryer, you get a carrying case, a water bottle, and a wide tooth comb, some scrunchies, and some clips, some duckbills. I'm good with that. Like, I'm sorry, not duckbills, alligator clips. I'm good with that. So I guess in here we have the alligator clips. There's maybe a carrying bag or something of sorts. You know, we'll get into that later. Y'all want to get into it now? Let's get into it now, because we gotta save the grand finale for the grand item, you know. So let's get into this little packing right here. I really hope this video isn't long, because y'all don't like to watch long videos. But if it's me talking, why wouldn't you, you know? Alrighty, so we have 8 alligator clips. Now these definitely come in handy when you're detangling, for sure. And I love that they're in these bright colors, so they'll be hard to misplace, you know. You know what, let's get into the package. Y'all not gonna trick me, because I've had some really bad alligator clips, so we're gonna see the quality of these. I want to feel it. Okay, this looks like some good plastic. Like, I don't even know how to describe it to you guys. Like, I feel like, you know how some things feel like that hard plastic, but this feels like that hard, soft rubber. Like, I don't know if it makes sense. Just make it make sense. Now, what else we have in here? Like I said, we got ourselves a wide tooth comb. Like, this is something that I see a lot of people detangle with. For some reason, the comb with a really long teeth doesn't work the best for me. I use the one with the shorter teeth. Wide tooth, but it happens. It works. This is really cute. So this is a really small carrying bag, as you can see. Definitely reusable. You can use this to carry your hair supplies. It's breathable, which is great, because people don't realize that a lot of the things we put in our hair carries bacteria. So you definitely want something breathable and not containing all that moisture. These are really cute. Like, I probably wouldn't use them unless I needed to hold a certain part of my hair while I'm doing something. But these are really cute, and they're this really soft satin feel, which is great for your hair. It'll slip and slide and it won't get caught up, you know, which can definitely cause breakage. Okay, now what is this? See, I'm not mad at it. Like, once again, the price point, I'm feeling where my money was going. Like, this is really cute. So this looks like it's one of those turbans, you know, when you wash your hair. Just like, this is something I could have used right now. So I'm definitely here for the little accessories inside of the packing. Like, I love it. Let me not make a mess because I still need to get in here. So here it has the start guide and also the operating manual. I hope that is definitely straightforward. If it's not, then I'm just gonna have to read this. I'm one of those people who get straight to the item and not the actual manual itself, but we're gonna keep that right here. Now, so you can see this is what the inside of the box looks like after I remove those items. Now here is what the inside looks like. We're not gonna get too much into this box because this video is not about the box. It's about the item. I'm not gonna lie to you, this feels like some heavy duty shit. Like, it feels like a portable steamer, if not heavier. So, I mean, off rip in comparison to the blow dryer that I usually use, this is not really travel friendly. But a part of me isn't mad, you know? A part of me isn't mad about that. Like, how often do you really blow dry your hair when you travel? For me, I'm going wherever I'm going with my hair done, and I'm coming back the same way, and anything that needs to be done will be handled when I get back. So I'm okay with it not quite being travel size. Now this, hold on. This has some weight to it, and my feelings right now, if this does not suck every drop of water out of my hair from the root to the tip, I'm gonna be tight. I really just want to get into the item, and then we'll talk more about like how I feel about it later. But I do like giving like an initial reaction to how I feel and then how I feel after. So what I do like is that on the back side, this is where you would wrap your cord, so we can have a bit of distance going with this thing. So that's cute. Let me go ahead and plug that thing up. Woo. But anyways, 2022, how have you guys been? I missed you guys. It's been way too long since I've made a video. Like I said, life has been happening. I don't know if I'll make a video about that because life is happening to everybody, you know. Once again, this is giving me vacuum vibes. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it, but I'm definitely getting vacuum vibes. Let me see what else is at the bottom before. So this here is the water bottle. Let's open it. It's so funny that they actually sent this in the packing, because the water bottles like this with this kind of a spout, best water bottle ever. Like I actually have one here that I just have on the side because I feel like I might need to use it because I washed my hair then into my makeup, so that took some time. But these water bottles, the way that it mists on your hair, it's not very direct, so it's misty, it saturates the hair without over drenching any parts of it. Like these are the best water bottles, so it's really nice that they offer that in here. And this is definitely the storage. Very last item to unwrap. Yep. This, I would say, is like the storage bag. I like that. I like that. So let's get into the spout. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I used to see videos of people doing this with their hair, I was like, this is so perverted. Ah! But here I am, looking to see what the hype is about. So, alright, so this here is the back end. There is a lock and unlock feature. Wow, this, and then the off, on, and I guess low and high. I'm nervous, I'm not gonna lie. And then these little slits here is actually, it seems that this is, yeah, a little spot for it to be held onto the actual machine itself. I'll show you guys. I mean, I don't do many unboxings, as y'all could probably tell. So just be patient. There'll be more to come. I just washed my hair. My hair wasn't filthy. I did wash it last week, but of course wanted to do this video. So here I am. I don't know if you guys have seen my past videos. So my hair texture, I would say, is a medium between 4B and 4C. I am completely natural. I just want to show you guys. So if you have hair like me, hopefully you'll get a really good idea of what this blow dryer will do to you, and then that way you can make a sound decision without having to spend the coins before knowing if you're really gonna love a product or having some kind of faith. Because like I said, for that price point, this better do what it said it's gonna do. Like, so it's definitely blow dried my hair. One thing I can say about the texture, which I noticed is different from me using like the Revlon paddle brush dryer, is my hair feels a lot coarser. So I guess because there's no tension, like literally no tension at all, it may not be blowing it as bone straight as I would like. I think that's I just want to let you guys know, like, it is worth the hype. It is worth the dollar. It cut my drying time literally in half. It normally takes me an easy hour, like an easy hour bare minimum, to blow dry my hair. As you can see, I have a lot of hair. It's really thick, it's coarse. Like, this is not to be played with. So when it comes to blow dry my hair, if I choose to do so, like, I need something that's going to be super efficient, get the job done. And this is sleeping on the other side of my bed tonight. Like, that's how I'm feeling about it. So if you guys want to know if it's a hard yes or no, what you think? It's a yes. It's a go get it. Like, it's not one of those things I feel like it's cute, I could have went without. No, like, if you have the extra coins to spend, definitely do it. It's an investment piece. I don't see this going anywhere. Like, this definitely trumps all of the other blow dryers that I have that I thought I wanted, that you gotta go. We're not doing this no more. This is definitely where it's at. Like, I don't think you guys understand how excited I am. This is part of the family. I look forward to blow drying my hair every single week now. No, I'm just kidding, but definitely it's a must try. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next time.